Good morning. My name is Aurel Rakolta and my student ID number is 215-88077. Today I'm going to do a presentation on the strategic management module, and uh, the presentation is about analysis of Tesla Motors. Next slide. Okay. This report aims to assess Tesla's strategic position in the global electric vehicle industry, focusing specifically on its recent performance in the European market. This analysis is supported by established strategic management frameworks, including PESTEL, Porter's Five Forces, BRIO, Porter's Generic Strategy, and the Ansoff Matrix, using academic research and industry data from sources such as Statista, Mintel, and Tesla's annual reports. Next slide. The PESTEL analysis indicates that political, legal, and technological factors exert the most significant influence on Tesla's performance. Government incentives for electric vehicles persist in fostering sustained market growth. In Europe, these incentives are increasingly unpredictable owing to reduction in subsidies and changes in regulations. This generates uncertainty for manufacturers dependent on policy support. Economic conditions influence Tesla's sales performance. Elevated interest rates, borrowing expenses, diminishing demand for more expensive vehicles. While global electric vehicle sales are increasing, this growth has led to heightened pricing pressures. Social and environmental factors typically benefit Tesla, given the growing consumer awarenesses of sustainability issues. Market research indicates that cost charging infrastructure and perceived value are significant concern for numerous buyers. The PESTEL analysis indicates that Tesla functions with an environment characterized by growth opportunities alongside escalating regulatory and cost-related challenges, especially in Europe. Next slide. Porter's Five Forces framework was used to assess industry conditions. The framework identifies strong rivalry as the most significant force. Established car manufacturers have rapidly expanded their electric vehicle offerings, while Chinese firms have entered the market with lower price alternatives. This has increased pressure on Tesla pricing and sales volume. Supplier power is also high, but Tesla remains dependent on a limited number of suppliers for batteries and key raw materials such as lithium. This will expose the company to supply disruption and cost volatility. Buyer power is increasing as consumers have more electric vehicles options available. However, Tesla's brand strength and charging network help limit this effect. Overall, the industry environment has become more demanding and less favorable than in Tesla's early growth phase. Next slide. The BRIO analysis highlights Tesla's key internal strengths and limitations. Tesla possesses several valuable and difficult to imitate resources, including advanced battery technology, integrated software systems, over-the-air updates, and a global supercharger network, with a strong brand recognition. These resources have supported Tesla's growth and market leadership. However, the analysis also identifies organizational weaknesses that reduce the long-term impact of these resources. Manufacturing inefficiency, rising production costs, and governance challenges limit Tesla's ability to fulfill benefit from its technological strengths. In addition, Tesla's strong association with Elon Musk creates leadership risk. While his visibility attracts attention and investment, reliance on a single individual introduces instability rather than long-term organizational strength. Okay. Next slide. This analysis shows that Tesla resources are strong, but organizational alignment remains a key challenge. Tesla has historically implemented a differentiation strategy focusing on innovation, technology, and premium market positioning. Changes in market conditions demand a transition to a hybrid strategy that integrates innovation and cost efficiency. The Ansoff matrix, this is the next slide. The Ansoff matrix suggests that product development represents the most effective growth strategy. This includes the introduction of more affordable vehicle models and the expansion of software-based services. Market development in China and emerging economies is significant, while diversification into energy storage and solar solutions promotes long-term stability. Okay. Recommendation and conclusion. Based on the findings, this report makes various key recommendations. Tesla should introduce a mid-range electric vehicle targeted at the European market to accommodate price sensitivity. Improving manufacturing efficiency and implementing cost control measures are crucial for reinforcing internal operations. Tesla must prioritize investment in battery recycling and sustainable supply chains to mitigate environmental and legal risks. Reducing dependence on key suppliers could help in managing supply-side risks. Improved corporate governance would diminish reliance on leadership and bolster organizational stability. In conclusion, Tesla continues to be a leading innovator in the expanding electric vehicle market. Changes in the external environment and internal execution challenges have impacted recent performance in Europe. By optimizing cost efficiency, reinforcing governance, and focusing on suitable product development will enable Tesla to align its internal capabilities with external conditions, which will encourage sustainable long-term growth. Thank you.